Hello everyone, my name is Tejaswini and I'm here to teach or learn about mathematics. Let's start. The topic is correlation and regression. Let's begin. Introduction to correlation and regression. Correlation and regression is a statistical method used to examine relationship between the variables. Understanding these concepts is essential in fields like economics, psychology, and helps in science. This presentation will cover the definition, types, applications, difference between correlation and regression. Let's start. What is correlation? Correlation measures the strength and the direction of linear relationship between the two variables. It is qualified using correlation showing coefficient typically denoted as R. The value of R can range from -1 to +1, indicating negative, no, or positive correlation respectively. Let's be types of correlation: positive correlation, negative correlation, zero correlation. Positive correlation occurs when both the variables move to the same direction, and negative correlation occurs when the one variable increases while the other decreases. Next, zero correlation indicates no relationship between the variables being studied. Correlation coefficient. The most common correlation coefficient is Pearson's R, which assumes a linear relationship. A higher absolute value of correlation coefficient indicates a stronger relationship. Limitation of correlation. Correlation does not imply cautions, it merely indicates a relationship. Outliers can significantly skew correlation results, leading to misleading interpretations. Correlation is sensitive to range of data. Conclusions may differ with varied data sets. What is regression? Regression analysis is statistical method used to predict the value of dependent variable based on one or more independent variable. It helps to establish a functional relationship between variables to make prediction. The simplest form of regression is linear regression, which models a straight line. Types of regression: linear regression, multiple regression, non-linear regression. First, regression involves one dependent and one independent variable, and multiple regression use multiple independent variables to predict a single dependent variable. Non-linear regression is applied when the relationship between variables is not linear. Next, the regression equation. The regression equation is commonly expressed as y is equals to a plus bx plus e. Here, y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, a is intercept, and b is the slope. The error term e accounts a variability in y that cannot be explained by x. Interpretation regression results. The slope b indicates how much y changes for a 1 unit change in x. The interrupt a represents the accepted value of y when x is 0. R squared is a key static that indicates the proportion of variance in y explained by x. Applications of correlation and regression. These methods are widely used in market researchers to understand the customer behavior. They are also essential in healthcare for predicting patients' outcome based on various factors. In finance, correlation and regression help in assessing risk and return relationships. Here are just some differences of correlation and regression. Relationship: one affects the other. Variables move together, causes an effect. X and y can be interchanged, x and y cannot be interchanged. Data represented by single point, data represented by line. Thank you.